Super Egg.
Hello, and welcome back, my spooktacular viewers. Today we've got yet another Halloween surprise egg special opening. I cannot wait to find out what spooky treats we have in store for us today. Okay, let's begin. I think we'll save the Kinder Surprise egg until last. And we'll start with this big blue egg on the end here. Let's give it a shake and pop it open and see what we have inside. It's one of the aliens from Toy Story. What a great movie! I love Toy Story. Do you like Toy Story? Which egg should we open next? Well, I was going to save the Kinder Surprise egg until last, but I'm too excited to wait, so let's open it now! Shake, shake, shake that egg! Oh, every time I see the chocolate, it makes me hungry. Let's open the chocolate. There's our surprise egg! How exciting! What's that? Is it another alien? Oh no, it's not an alien, it's a frog! A little frog! It's got a little clip on it so you can clip it to your bag or your jacket. That's pretty cool. I like that little frog. Do you like it? Oh, which one to open next? Let's open this white egg here and save the big red egg until last. Shake, shake, shake that white egg. Pop it open and let's have a look what's inside. Another tiny alien! I wonder what that is that he's holding in his hands. It looks like some sort of plant. Or maybe it's alien food. I just don't know. And now for the last egg. This big red egg. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's give it a little shake. I wonder if this will be an alien as well. No, it's a monster. It's the character Don Carlton from Monsters University. Oh, I like that toy. I think this is my favourite of today's toys. How about you? Was Don Carlton your favourite? It looks like we've come to the end of our video for today. Bye for now.